Hey guys, this is the 7th video of our Ableton Tutorials Series. In this video, we'll talk about sampling again, but with Sampler this time. According to its name, Sampler is a simplified version of Sampler. However, it includes a few really nice features. It's very good to build percussion sounds within a rack. So, drag a Sampler instrument in our project. Type in break booty in the search field and drag the one in 130 BPM. As you can see, it doesn't match with the tempo of our project. Also, the speed will change depending on the note you play. Higher notes will play faster and lower pitches will be slower. I've introduced warping in the previous video. Sampler has a warp option over here. So now, the speed has become independent of the pitch. We'll make a selection of one bar and loop it. You can drag down with the zoom tool to adjust your selection. Okay, in classic mode, the loop will go on as long as you keep playing the note, as opposed to the one-shot mode where there is no loop, because it will play the sample from start to end and then stop. The slice mode is for you to split the sample into several parts and send them into a rack, for example. You can select different algorithms, make it mono or polyphonic, and you can slice by transients, beats, regions, or manually. If too many transients are detected, you can reduce the sensitivity. And once you're ready to go, right-click and slice the drum rack. Now each cell contains your slices to be played individually. Alright, let's go back in classic mode. I want to add some release time of around 35 seconds to create a fading sustain from my loop. You'll notice that Sampler has a frequency filter and an LFO included as well. Alright, drag up to zoom out. Time to draw the sequence. Adjust loop length to 4 bars. Now copy and paste your selection. I'll keep only the last one here to make it more interesting. Let's listen to that. We can hear the attack is not exactly right. Adjust it from your sample and see how it behaves. Yep, better. I quickly had another track to combine with the single shot mode. So let's add a clap wood from the browser. Select one-shot mode, warp it, and make it shorter. Let's add a fade in and a fade out. Maybe tune it down a little bit. The transpose function here allows me to keep playing the same note to try to find a nicer pitch. Now open the sense to the reverb and add some delay. Okay, I'll add a few notes only, but in a longer and odd loop to make it more interesting. Let's say 7 bars. Then double-click to draw your Midi sequence. Okay, let's break the rules a little bit. Nice! Here we are! We covered the basics of sampling with Sampler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our last video to talk about physical modeling in Ableton.